For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste.
Hi guys, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, my name is David Sriracha. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, and if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. Also, right next to the subscribe button is also this little bell icon. If you don't mind, can you just smash it for me? Smash it for me? Smash it for me? Anyways, you get the point. As you can tell by the title of the video, we are gonna go eat some dim sum at Ocean Palace. And I know some of you might be like, how many more of this dim sum video are you gonna make us watch? You just did one on Arco dim sum, you did one on Fun Kitchen dim sum, you did one on HK dim sum, you did one on King dim sum. Really, how much more dim sum place are you gonna make? So let me explain. When it comes to the dim sum game in Houston, Ocean Palace is one of the OG. So I started going there since 2002. I really like the food there, but over the year, you know, the quality of the food went down. So I stopped going. It wasn't until recently when I get all this notification from my Facebook page. They were like, oh man, the dim sum at the new Ocean Palace is so good. So it got me curious, so I wanted to check it out. Actually went there twice, and then yes, indeed, it was actually pretty good. So this is what I think might happen, but don't quote me on it, okay? So before, you know, you can only go to Ocean Palace, you can only go to Golden Dim Sum, you can only go to Fun Kitchen for dim sum in Houston. But recently there are so many new dim sum places in Houston. So I guess the owner of Ocean Palace, they were like, oh man, we're not getting the same volume that we used to do before. They probably be like, let's reinvest into the restaurant, remodel the place, improve the food, and you know, just like the quote, if you build it, they will come, and just BAM! Just like that, David Sriracha is back in the building. And the second reason that I want to make this video is because I recently got the new GoPro Hero 7 Black, and it has some very cool feature on it, so I want to make this video just using that camera by itself. So if you guys like it, let me know below. If you don't like it, please also let me know. Anyways, if you're ready, let's go. AKA Vaminos. So we got Golden Dim Sum over here to the right, and we got Kim Sum Dim Sum over there to the left, and we got Crown Seafood Dim Sum coming up to the right. But we're skipping all of that and headed straight to Ocean Palace. Ocean Palace is located in the Hong Kong City Mall Center. If you come here on a weekend, finding parking for Ocean Palace might be a little bit tough. This is Ocean Palace. Let's go inside and see how long the wait is. So they say the wait time will give about 30 minutes, so let me show you guys around, see what they have around here. After 30 minutes, we finally got a table, so let's go because I'm hungry. This is the menu for Ocean Palace. If you see anything that you want on there, you can order directly with your waiters or your waitress. The soup dumpling is pretty good, so I got 2 orders of those. One thing I love about Ocean Palace is that they still serve the dim sum on a push cart. We sat right next to the kitchen area, so we got fresh dip on a fresh dim sum. One more siew-mai. Yeah, one more siew-mai. Okay, 谢谢. So we got some chicken feet, hakao, aka shrimp dumpling, 2 orders of the siu-mai, and an order of the baby pork ribs. Another thing that I like about Ocean Palace is that the chili oil is actually spicy. Do hit the like button if you agree with me. Let's start off with some siu-mai, aka pork and shrimp dumpling. So juicy. Are you guys ready for some shrimp dumpling? You know I am. Oh good. If you like dim sum, you know chicken feet is a must. Very tender. Delicious. The dim sum cart are constantly circling around your table so you never run out of food. That is awesome. Oh man, here come the soup dumpling. You guys see the steam coming out from them? Let's wait for them to cool down a bit because you know, we don't want to burn our tongue now. And while we wait, let's try some beef track. Wow. Very tender. Very good. I think the soup dumpling are ready for us to eat. For the shalom bao, we gotta dip with this sauce right here, which is vinegar and ginger. So good indeed. They remind me of the soup dumpling from Din Tai Fung in Seattle. In case if you want some barbecue pork or some roast duck, Ocean Palace got you covered. And if you want some fresh seafood, they got some on deck as well. And the total come out to be only $38.22. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but overall I thought it was pretty good. So if you're in Houston, come by and try out this place out. Alright. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit the subscribe button on your way out, and I'll see you soon.